Next question. You thought that the video are done, but they are not. Probably none of you thinking that way because you already know that there are 15 questions and we solved up to 11. So we got four more. That's an again elementary school question. 15 minus 11 is 4. You got it right. You got it right. Next one. Shachir, shut up. Now, next question is Shachir and Rasul, I don't want to hear you anymore. Okay. Which step explains how to find a value of A in 6A equals to 5? So, what 72 actually, 6A equals to 72. So, how to find A? So, then imagine in this way. Well, we got it like 3 times 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Then it means that this 3 is equal to 6 over 2, right? Very easy, very easy. So what did we do actually? We basically divide the sides by 2. You see? Same idea. A should be equal to 72 over 6. As a formula, you can think of it as A times B equals C, then A is equal to C over B, or B is equal to C over A, okay? Just multiply these guys to get this guy. Multiply these guys to get this guy, okay? Multiply these guys to get this guy. So you see, multiply A and 6 in order to get this guy, okay? Same thing. So what did we do? We divided it by 6. We didn't multiply, we didn't subtract, we didn't add, we divided it by 6. Done. Next one. We gotta do the prime factorization of each of the following numbers below, and then we gotta write that prime factorization as a product. How to do a prime factorization? We don't know. If you want to know how to do a prime factorization, watch our prime factorization video, theoretical background. Once it is uploaded, it's not uploaded yet, but we gotta do it very fast now. Again, this is not a theoretical background video. If you don't understand why is that happening, so don't watch this video because this video is for solutions, not for understanding. I know that this is stupid, but we ain't got much time. That's why we are doing it. But we will have those understanding videos as well. Okay. So nothing is problematic at this point. So let's see. I give you the number. Let's say 20. We got to do the prime factorization. How do we do it? We start with the start. So how to do the prime factorization? Start with smallest prime, or as the Italians said, primo del smallesto. Smallesto probably is a wrong word, but I'm just using it for the sake of it. So what is the smallest prime? That is 2, right? Step 2, proceed one by one. One by one, only primes. We gotta do only primes. So that means if 2 doesn't work, if 2 doesn't work, then we gotta do the next prime. Try 3. If that doesn't work, try 5. If that doesn't work, 7. Then 11, not 9, because 9 is prime. Blah, blah, blah. Go with the primes. So we go with 20, for example. 20, we start with 2. Is it divisible by 2? Yes, it is. It does work. Oh, it's okay. We don't have a problem. 20 over 2, what is that? 10. Again, we are trying 2. Does it work? Yes, it does work. So perfect. We are going, is it divisible by? Yes, it is. What's the answer? 5. 5. Is it divisible by 2? No. Then we are going 3. Is it divisible by 3? No. We are going 5. Is it divisible by 5? Yes. The answer is 1. Once you hit 1, step 3, stop. Once you hit uno or 1. Okay? That's it. We stop. So this is a prime factorization of 20. And then we will see. Okay, but in your book, there is a different way of writing it. I'm always writing it like this, but they want you to write it like this. So we start with again. So again, I'm not used to this technique, but I'll try my best. So they give us, first is they give us 45, right? So I'm gonna try 45 first. So we got 45. So this is divisible by not 2. Next one number is 3. So what's the answer? 15. 15 isn't divisible by 2, is divisible by 3. So we good. 5. 5 isn't divisible by 2, isn't divisible by 3. It is divisible by 5. So we are done because we hit 1. That's why we are done. Okay. 3, 3, 5. So your book doesn't want it in this way. It says that. So you get the first prime, 3. What is the answer? 15. And now you got to do the 3 for 15. 15, it's divisible by, again, as you can see, 3. So again, 3. The answer was 5. And we could do another 3 for 5. 5 was divisible by 5. Answer is 1. We hit 1. We stop. Okay, that's it. We got to do the same for 78 and 97. You can do it as an exercise for yourself. I am doing it very fast here because we ain't got much time. So 78 is divisible by 2. The answer is 39. 39 is divisible by 3. Answer is 13. 13 isn't divisible by anything. Answer is 1. That's it. We stop. 98 isn't divisible by anything. You can check it out. It's not going to be divisible by anything. So we stop here. But then some of you stopped here and also lost some points because we got to read those IGCSE questions until the end and be very careful about to see what they want us to do because it says write factorization as a product. So we got to write it as product. 45. Once it says that write a product, they mean that prime products, okay? So what are the prime numbers? That their product give me 45, these guys, only the right-hand side guys. 3, 3, 5, 3 times 3 times 5 will give me 45. And now again, right-hand side guys. So 2, 3, 13. Again, there is nothing on the right side hand side, just 97. But I don't want to leave it like this, so I will just write 1 as well. You can just write 97 as well. Very good to go. And we got the next question. You got to find the parallelogram type of thing. So what is a parallelogram? Parallelogram is a geometrical. So geo means earth, meter means measuring. The word measure and meter are coming from the same root, from Latin language or Greek. I don't know. I'm a math teacher. I am not a language teacher here. So it is a geometrical figure, okay, which has parallel, opposite sides, okay, which has a parallel, opposite sides. So actually we got 4 sides in general, okay? We got 4 sides and they got to be parallel to each other. So any figure satisfies this will be a parallelogram, okay? So, but another thing, another good thing about parallelogram is that those opposite sides, which are parallel to each other, they are also equal to each other, okay? It is not a condition for being a parallelogram. Why it is not a condition? Because it will always be satisfied. If those sides are parallel to each other, anything like this, and these guys are parallel to each other, they will have to be equal to each other. Okay? If I mean like this guy, you see, this guy, trapezoid. So these guys are parallel, but these guys are not parallel, right? They are not parallel. But so you see that, they may not be equal to each other. Yes, they may not, because both of the opposite sides has to be parallel to each other. Here, only these guys, these two guys are parallel, okay? If those guys would be parallel as well, I can assure you that they would be equal to each other. But in this case, they are not, but we are looking for the parallelogram where both sides are parallel and equal to each other. Then we know that if the parallel sides are equal, so we see this side is 8 units, then its parallel brother should also be 8 units, okay? This guy is E units, then its parallel brother should also be E units. And you remember from the previous questions that how do we find the perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of vertices, right? Sum of all the vertices. So A, E plus 8 plus E plus 8 is given as 28. So you are, again, big girls and boys. You can find E from here. you can find it as 2e is equal to 28 minus 16, which gives us e as 6. That's it. Tatarita Margarita. And then the last question, we gotta fill the missing numbers and simple. Okay, we gotta fill the missing numbers first. So decimal form is 0.47%, will just be 47%. Don't forget this percentage sign. So 0.25% will be 25, right? No, there has to be a percentage sign. Rasul, be careful, Rasul, be careful. And 31 over 100. So the decimal will be 0.31 and percent will be 31%. Now, so this is 86%. So it has to be 0.86. Now, let's go to the fractions. Fraction will be something over 100, right? So 47 over 100. Again, 68 over 100 and 25 over 100, right? No, that's why many of you lost some points because it says simplify all fractions. Many of you didn't simplify these fractions. 68 over 100 should be 43 over 50 and 25 over 100 should be 1 over 4. So this is final correct answer to get the full point, which none of you did, I think, or a couple of students did actually. Okay, whatever. Get out of here. Bye-bye.